This is a instructional video on how to use the AI aimbot menu that is paid, and this is how to use it. Once activating your code, you can go on to AI aimbot, wait for the box depending on which theme you have on. I would prefer Stealth Dark. Once you go Stealth Dark, click it until it is a gray color. Once to activate all of the menu, click down here on the bottom left that says standby and make it say active. Once on active, it will start showing whichever options you have for your game. Also with aimbot, you can create your own presets for your own guns, so you can make it way easier for yourself. The best preferences is by making your own and making your own AI preference so you can make it the best you can to your ability. Don't always think and use everyone else's, because your preference will always be different. Recoil control system. The recoil control system is pretty self-explanatory. Jitter makes the recoil go around in different ways, like this, randomly, or it can be perfect how you want it. Smoothness depends on how smooth you want the recoil to be. Nearly 2 would be the best multiplier. Multiplies the recoil to make it quicker or slower. For example, mine was originally at 5, now it will be at 10, it will be insanely quick. Depending on your settings, that's how you would do it. If it is too slow, nearly at the limit for it, just go to your RCS, enable it, vertical pull to pull down more, multiply it if it's too slow at the limit. The multiplier will automatically change the limit for the horizontal pull as well. Clicking left or right will depend on which way you want the recoil to go, to right or left. Clicking on left, it will pull left 14 pixels and it'll move it in that direction. SMG12 has its own preset over here, so you can click vertical for its own, have none, smoothness for your way to create your own. Visuals tab is to enable your ESP. Also draw boxes outside of your FOV circle, as the boxes are only drawn when inside of the FOV circle. Once outside, it will not draw anymore. You can change the ESP style to a square, and also different ones. You can change the box color to whichever color you prefer. Distance estimate will always be a thing to show what the distance is between you and the bot at the bottom of the box detection. Operators. This is used for your RCS, mainly for your guns, for your recoil control system. You pick which operator, like Buck for example, you can change its gun to which one you're going to use. Each recoil is different for the gun that you pick. So if you make a recoil control for a gun, like Buck's gun, and you change it to the DMR's recoil will be different, as you have to make another one for the DMR. This will go on for the guns and operators once you change it. Once you make a operator, it will automatically be updated to your config or your settings.json in the folder. Hotkeys is for if you want to add a hotkey to turn off or turn on specific ideas, like your recoil control system, your aimbot, your trigger bot, your ESP, switching your weapon 1 and 2, cycle aim curve to make the difference, to make it look better, as well as killing the system entirely. Features are just cool features you can use, like trigger bot with the burst mode implemented into it, confidence on the boxes, status to show what the status is for which one you are using, like SYS, aiming, RCS, and ESP. The RCS ramp bar is also implemented into the code so you can see what the estimate recoil is on your system. Theme is obviously what you think it is. To import your own custom backgrounds, you can browse, downloads, and whichever one you want to use. You can change your color palette from your text to the glowing, the panel background, sidebar color, outer border, UI border color, box color, FOV color. You can as well just make it into a preset that you can use and change whenever you want. Settings is your hardware ID. If you have a new key below, you can add this, activate your key, and once activating it, you can keep on this key, and once that one breaks, you can activate the new one and then go on to that one, so you can have a brand new key ready to go.